Hi, I'm Jaden, industrial chemist and co-founder of NETAS Solutions.
And I'm Kent, the other co-founder of NETAS Solutions, chartered engineer with over 30 years of experience. So at NETAS, we're trying to come up with a solution to how do we decarbonise energy. We aim to compete dual for dual with fossil fuels in supplying a zero emission alternative in the high power applications. So we accept lithium ion has a huge role to play, but in the high power applications where gravimetric energy density is imperative, they just cannot compete. And that's been our focus with hydrogen, to compete in those markets and ultimately decarbonise the high power energy task.
For us at NETAS, hydrogen solves both these issues with the right technology and the right model.
So what is the NETAS Ultilium? It's effectively the missing piece in a jigsaw puzzle that is decarbonised energy.
At NETAS, we've come together and provided an all-in-one system solution that encompasses the production of the hydrogen, the storage of the hydrogen and the supply of hydrogen, all in the one modularised system situated on site at the end point of use. With our unique energy model, we monetise 4 possible hydrogen energy streams: the oxygen, the thermals, the carbon credit offsets and the hydrogen itself. With these 4 streams, we can produce hydrogen and supply it for $3 a kilogram landed, or 90 cents a litre of diesel equivalent. By having hydrogen produced on site at the end point of use, we alleviate a lot of the cost structures that we experience with our current service station energy delivery model. We provide a liquid fuel supplement for high power, high energy applications, while simultaneously providing a dispatchable load for wind and solar energies. This allows the increased uptake of wind and solar energy onto the centralised grid, while simultaneously decarbonising the hard to abate sectors, such as agriculture through to mining.
So we're starting in agriculture first because they're on the front line of climate change. They're experiencing it today. In the cities, we talk about climate change, but at the end of the day, if it's really hot weather, we just turn up the air conditioners. Farmers are on the front line. It's costing their bottom lines today. They're having major crop write-offs because of climate change.
So although we're wanting to start in agriculture is considered a hard to abate sector. Now this is largely due to the large volumes of diesel that they consume throughout a farming season, but also due to the fact that a lot of their remote grid infrastructure is incapable of providing electrification solutions. By producing hydrogen on site at the end point of use, we alleviate several cost structures whilst tapping into farmers' existing business operations. This assists us in being able to provide a customer value proposition to be able to provide hydrogen dual for dual and be able to compete directly on price with diesel.
Currently, due to global events, energy prices are extremely high. So we've got very high gas prices and also oil prices. The beautiful aspect of the NETAS Ultilium is a fixed price on energy going forward. Once we make the physical hardware installation, we effectively have a set price for years to come for energy.
The benefits of having modularised hydrogen production in a decentralised energy model is it allows us to not only provide a reliable zero emissions fuel for high power applications, but also improves energy security and energy reliability.
As we go further into the hydrogen market, our pricing has got to be far sharper. So that's where the cost glide of our units is absolutely critical to maintain that value proposition for the customers in multiple market segments. So our first projects are ready to go. We're calling it Project NETAS, which is located in the Greater Manjimup region. We've got 3 customers ready to go. They've already signed MOUs, they're in place for the projects to be executed.
Our technology is at a stage where it's ready to be deployed, not only here in Australia, but the world over, on our path and on our journey to commercialising a green hydrogen future.